Hey, good morning. This is my 1950s vintage Thatcher gas furnace. Got no schematics. Just a little gem here. Don't worry, I do have an air filter, I just have it out. And I got 120 coming in here. This is my thermostat wire. It comes up, goes up into here, comes down. Check out this old valve I got. Doesn't look very safe, does it? But that's my gas valve. There's my pilot. Pilot's one of those constant on pilots. Come over here, I see my regulator. And down here I got my switch for my thermocoupler. Got my gas shutoff valve. And I got a single burner. I'm going to grab a flashlight. I'm going to come up the other side of it. There's my access door going out into my chimney, going up to the top. Come down here and show you my plate. There you go, Thatcher gas fired. From Garwood, New Jersey, huh? There we got the abyss. It's the heart of the beast. Pretty dirty in here. But we'll take this off. And I'll try to. Here's my pilot and my thermocoupler. Right there. You can see there's a bunch of dust hasn't been burned off. This thing hasn't been running like 10 years or so. But it did dust the pilot off the other day and unclog it. Cleaned off the thermocoupler. And we got my switch here's off. Well, you can see that. But down in there we see all that. And I will be cleaning this once I see if I can get it running. I just want to real quick see if I can get it running. What I have now is I can light the pilot, and when I go to when I turn on my gas valve, the burner here lights, but it goes off because the fan won't start when it reaches the upper limit. Now I don't have a fan on manual. I only have a 2-wire thermostat and setup for this thing because of the year. It's a real dinosaur. But when she did work for me, and she worked very reliably. I just want to try to get some heat on for a couple weeks so I can get the scratch to get a new heater. Something that's a little safer. But anyway, here goes. We're going to come over here. We're going to turn this valve, and I'll show you what she does. Come in. And she lights. As you can see, she's got a nice blue flame. You know, you got a little bit. Had a problem with the gas. Gas wasn't on here. Had to call out. Big rigmarole. But anyway, put this back on. Okay, we'll come over here. We'll turn our gas on. Oh, I don't think I had my switch on. Now I'm going to make sure the thermostat. Now this is just a house I'm trying to clean up for rental, but still in all, heard a little click there. There's no 61 in here, so like I said, I don't even think this, I think my problem might be is my thermostat. Because I don't think this thermostat, like I said, I got heat only. Here we are. I got my touchless meter here. It was just beeping when I did this, but I know I have electric in there. I had it out, but anyway, batteries might be gone. Anyways, this is what I got. Now, it's been on for a little bit, minute or so, 2 minutes, and I can feel heat over here to my arm. I can smell heat, but as you can see, my fan is not running. But what we'll do is this will run, the upper limit control will kick. What I don't understand is on the newer ones, you can see the thing moving around. This one, nothing's moved. So what I'm thinking it is possibly the start relay for the fan, if there is one in fact inside this relay, or it could be my limit control switch or my fan limit switch. See, the whole thing doesn't really look set up right to me. But, oh, there it went to shut off. As you can see, the temperature indicators haven't moved at all from when I started. That thing there's hot to the touch, you really don't want to touch that. And my fan is not moving at all. We come back down, and I'm back to just my nice healthy looking pilot.